Australia, which had the virus under control a few months ago, is now locking down a major city in the face of a second wave, raising new questions about the course of the pandemic in our country. Matt Gutman has the story.
The streets are empty this morning in Australia's second biggest city, Melbourne, where a strict lockdown is being enforced as COVID cases there soar. The hard-hit state of Victoria declaring a state of disaster.
See the city of Melbourne. David, what's up, David?
Not much, it's hot.
Check it out. Yeah. Interesting. Yeah, I have to go to the things. Yeah. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
So you reckon the stranger they are?
Check that out. So I do think, yeah, it's a long line. Yeah, we go to. Yeah, we go to.
You're open and you're looking at us.
It's pretty cool though. Man, there's so many people. Check this out. Hello, ladies.
Hi! What's this for?
You have to say that you are a famous blogger from...
Blogger, yeah. Where are you going? Yeah. Woo!
You have to say, you can be in my vlog, but you have to subscribe. Who's gonna pay over? It's funny how you walk and it doesn't move the...
Yes, if you are going out here in Melbourne and you're actually in a bar or a restaurant, you have to do this. First, you have to scan this for your information and for contact tracing. And so you guys, you fill out your information and you get this confirmation for COVID-19 contact tracing. Then this one is for your order. So QR code, we use QR code here in Melbourne, or I think in the whole of Australia, right, David?
Yep.
And that's it. Look at this outfit, David.
Yeah.
Check this out, man. Love it. Look at this. many people here.
Come back.
I was almost following you. I was almost following you.
Wow. I'm impressed. Melbourne is even. Hey!
Hi, how are
Look at you. What are you wearing, Don?
We just had
Sorry.
dinner at
Hello.
just had dinner at the top of Eureka.
Yeah, maybe we just had like a beer. We kind of tipsy.
Hey, how are you going?
Yeah.
Nice to see you. My friend
Hello, and
Amy, meet David. Nice to meet you.
nakapambur si,
Yeah, we had
pamburhol.
we had our Thanksgiving dinner at the top of Eureka Tower. Really? Yeah, so we just
Look at Don Don. Look at.
do you celebrate in Philippines? Do you celebrate Thanksgiving? Yeah. Thanksgiving, America.
So many people here in Melbourne right now, out and about, just enjoying. And now here we're going to this place. Check that out. How beautiful this city is. Check that out. Check this out.
Hi guys, welcome to the vlog.